Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix SteelSeries Sonar not detecting headset. So basically what you'll need to do is go to Windows search and type sounds, and right here you'll get sound settings and change the system sounds. Click on the change system sounds, and basically now you'll need to go to the playback, and right here for the headphones you'll need to right click it and click set as default device and set as default communication device. Now, what you'll need to do is click apply and click OK. Then you'll need to go to the SteelSeries GG app. If this doesn't opening, just go to the task manager and the task for the SteelSeries GG client. And if that doesn't work, just open up the SteelSeries GG app again. And if you go to the engine, you want to right here see if the headset is connected. If it is not, just try to reconnecting your headset from computer. So basically plug your headset again into the computer and it should appear right here. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.